It's a new 2019 GMC Sierra 3500 HD. Its never say never attitude yields a heavy-duty truck that's the very essence of professional-grade confidence. It comes with all the amenities you need: automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, driver selectable mode, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, mirror mounted spotlights, shocks, auto dimming rearview mirror, and intercooled turbo V8 engine. Edmunds.com notes its impressive hauling and towing capabilities. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional grade tool. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.